Hello everyone, my name is Tushar and this is Redmi 6 Pro. Let's take a physical overview of this device. At the top you get 3.5mm audio jack, IR blaster, secondary mic. On the left you get SIM tray and nothing else. On the right side you get volume buttons and the power button. At the bottom you get simple micro USB port, speaker grills and mic. And at the back we get fingerprint scanner along with 12 plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup with flash and the Xiaomi branding as usual on the metallic back cover. Talking about the specifications, it has two variants which comes with the Snapdragon 625 octa-core processor and 4000 mAh battery with dual rear camera and a dedicated micro SD card slot. It runs on the Android 8.1 and the Xiaomi UI 9.6 version. Now let's just check out how fast the fingerprint scanner works on this device. Let me just set up the video. Till then you scroll down and like this video and click that red button if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And don't forget to comment down your thoughts on this video in the comment section. Okay, I just finished the setup. Now let's check out how fast it works. So as you can see, it is pretty much faster than other devices. It unlocks the device just in a few seconds. Now it's time to check out the camera performance on this device. It has a 12 plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera setup and a 5 megapixel camera at the front. You will find different modes like photo, video, portrait, short video, square, panorama and a manual mode in this camera app. Let me just take some simple and portrait mode photos using this camera. The initial impressions and the picture quality from this camera is very good. It also has some another options like beautify and timer at the top menu. The front camera also comes with the AI portrait mode. Here are some samples taken from both the cameras. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. My name is Tushar and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be happy and do something constructive.